Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do the unboxing and reviewing about JBL Charge 4. Let's start. I got this for 11,500 rupees from Chroma store, and you can also get it from Amazon or Flipkart. I'll put the link down below. The packing is very beautiful and elegant, looks very cool. There's an engraved logo about this Charge 4 over here. Let's open it up. I got this one, the blue color. It's very cool, good looking. And here we have things, and here let's see what we got. We have got a Type C cable and a manual about this one. Here we don't get extra charging adapter or any aux cable, but it's okay, we can manage it because we already have a lot of charging adapters in the home. Let's turn it on. Here is the option to turn it on. And let me connect it. So this comes with the dual bass, like we get one on this side and another one on this side, and both are bass boosters. And here we have port for charging, that is USB-C, and an aux cable port. And here you can use it as a power bank, and also you can put pen drive for the music. Let me show you, like putting this one, how I use this for a power bank. Connect my iPhone to this. As you can see, it's charging. We have to charge this for like 4 hours maximum, and we'll get a playback time of 20 hours. That's very good. The bass radiators are very fine. I've been using this like for 2-3 days now, and the sound quality and everything is very good and loud. Let me play your song. Let me show you the options here first. This one is to reduce the volume, and this one is to increase the volume, and this one is the JBL Connect. Like if you press this one and we have any JBL speakers nearby, they will connect together and they will play the same music at a time. That means you get 2 speakers playing the same music at the same time, and it will increase your volume and everything. And this one is to pause and play button. I'll play this. You can hear the sound now. So you could hear the sound very clear and crispier. The bass, the treble, and everything is very fine and refined music. JBL always gives good products like this. The casing and everything is very good, and my review is that you just have to buy this. Do not shortlist this one. Go and buy this very nice product. Up next will be the waterproof test. We can watch it, how I'll be pouring water over it, and please subscribe to my channel. Just watch it now. I'm going to show you about the waterproof test. Let me pour water over here, like I'm pouring here.